On November 18th, Jennie made a surprise appearance during Matt Champion's set at Camp Flog Gnaw, performing their collaboration, Slow Motion. Fans were thrilled to hear her sing live, noting how her voice sounded as flawless as a studio recording. Social media buzzed with reactions, including comments like, "Jennie absolutely killed it at Camp Flog Gnaw." The chemistry between her and Matt Champion was off the charts, and the way everyone took out their phones to record Jennie was iconic. Jennie not only impressed the audience with her vocals but also demonstrated her unwavering support for her friends. She even posted videos from the performance on her Instagram, showing love for Matt Champion. Fans praised her loyalty, with one commenting, "One thing about Jennie is she always supports her friends." Adding to the excitement, rapper Doekiite shared a picture with Jennie on her Instagram story, calling her the sweetest girl at Matt Champion's set. Jennie later reposted the story with the caption, "Love you." This interaction further delighted fans, sparking admiration for the friendship between the two artists. Meanwhile, Jennie continues to expand her creative horizons. Her partnership with Gentle Monster's dessert brand, Nudake, has resulted in a special collaborative dessert launching during the year-end holiday season. Nudake announced, "You can experience Jennie's own creativity expressed through Nudake's eyes to mark Jennie's first solo studio album." Yes, Jennie's first full-length solo album is on the way. With the project, JNK1, already in the works, fans are brimming with anticipation. Social media is abuzz with excitement as they prepare for what promises to be an unforgettable era in Jennie's career.